Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today, I'm not going to teach you a new idiom. I'm going to show you how to use my Happy Monday videos as a learning tool to improve your English. Step number 1. Watch the video with sound, but don't read the transcript yet. Try to understand the whole meaning of the video, even if there are words that you don't understand. This way, you are practicing your listening skills first. Step 2. Read the transcript. If there are words that you don't understand, look them up in the dictionary. And out of these words, if there are any words that you want them to become part of your active vocabulary, make a flashcard with it. On one side, you write the word or the expression in English, and on the other side, you write the translation of it. This way, you are practicing your reading skills and also enlarging your vocabulary. Step number 3. Watch the video again, pause after each sentence and repeat that sentence after me. This way, you'll be practicing your speaking and your pronunciation. All these steps, this shouldn't take more than 7 to 10 minutes of your time, but they can make a big difference in your English learning. And what's more, you can repeat the same pattern with any video in English that doesn't have subtitles, but has a transcript. Good luck in learning English this week, and always have a wonderful day and a great week. Bye-bye.